After graduating in business, I got my first career job. I really enjoyed the job and I learned so much. That's how I fell in love with the digital marketing industry. So fast forward a year, they decided to lay off the marketing department. All of a sudden it was gone. And that was a big surprise to me. But I'm the type of person that likes to turn a bad thing into a good thing. I don't want to go back to Canada and just get some corporate job. I want to be able to work and travel where I want and when I want. And it just kind of clicked for me. I can do this. I can provide value in the industry. All I need is a laptop and an internet connection. I could find this way. So that was the initial fire beneath me that got me started. And I came back to Canada and I had this 6-month incubation period to really build up my skills and also come up with an idea. And since then, we've been able to grow a team. In the 4th year of the business, I started hiring people. We hired engineers to build proprietary technology. It kind of slowly grew as a bootstrap business since then. You actually have to do things and build things. The best way to learn is by doing. If you want to hear any more stories about Monetize More, we have a lot more exciting stories, a lot of great ad optimization tips, so don't forget to subscribe to hear more of those.